Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, are you looking for some fancy, nice earrings for any occasion? Well, then I would definitely recommend these ones. These are the bow knot ribbon earrings from DoubleNine, and I absolutely love them. I mean, I have worn these ones for work, parties, weddings, and oh my goodness, I get so many compliments. I love the gold. They also come in silver. I love that they give you the choice for you to choose. If you're a silver person or gold person, you can choose. So again, if you are looking for some nice earrings for any occasion, I will definitely recommend these ones from DoubleNine. But hey, that is just my point of view.